Are you guys going? All right. All right, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Come on, JD. You're doing it. All right. Good job, JD. Oh, you're taking a U-turn. Go get him, JD. Good job, Jaden. I know, he's a little quick. You're doing good, Jay. Alright, mister, turn around. Go get Jaden. She needs your help.
Please?
Go get her. He's coming, Jay.
Denise?
Yes.